But Ahmed Gurey knew better than to continue the fight with so few men, so he continued to flee from Adal and rebuild a new army in exile. When the Ethiopians heard about Ahmed Gurey and his rebel army, they too sent an army to attack him. And Ahmed Gurey heard about their approach and split his army into 3 groups, creating a trap and waiting for the Ethiopians to appear. When the Ethiopians arrived, he attacked them from all 3 sides, surrounding them and defeating them in battle. It was a monumental victory that both gave him a reputation of a skilled commander and his army wealth from the spoils of war. Soon, many of the surrounding Somali tribes joined his cause, and with the new army, Ahmed Gurey managed to seize the city of Harar, becoming the new Sultan of Adal. And around the same time that this was all happening, the Ottomans in the north had managed to take control of Egypt, and were now trying to block the Portuguese fleets from entering the Red Sea. And since Portugal had sided with Ethiopia, now the Ottomans began to support their Muslim brothers in Adal, providing Ahmed Gurey with weapons and cannons